Welcome back to the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. My name is Andrew. I was showing this apartment to a current client of ours, and although he's very interested in it, if he doesn't take it, I think this would make a great investment for somebody else. So the first thing that you notice when you open the door is that this thing is pretty big. It is approximately 1,700 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath apartment in the Laureles neighborhood, specifically Estadio, and we'll see the view here in a second. After we do this walk, the kitchen, it's one of my favorite kitchen remodels. This is the laundry area here, but you can tell that it was very thought out. I love that island, which can be used as cooking counter space and or doubles as a bar, an American bar with those bar stools there. This room right here, he has it as a TV room because he was renting each room out. Instead of renting the entire apartment. So they had the TV room here, and then they have like a common area over here. I would probably put the TV and stuff and make this a living room and keep that maybe as an office or a little den there. These are the 2 bedrooms, the smaller bedrooms. This is the smallest one, which easily fits a double bed, maybe squeezing a queen size bed in there. This is the Laureles neighborhood. This is the back of the apartment building. We'll see the front here in a minute. And I love what they did with the remodel here with this bathroom. These rooms did not have bathrooms before the remodel. What he did was created that wall, which is also doubles as a closet, and then you've got the bathroom behind it. He did the same thing here. Watch. This is a queen size bed. I think you could easily fit a king size bed if you wanted to in there. Again, this is the backside of Laureles. Very walkable. It's very flat. Living in Laureles definitely immerses you in Colombian culture. This is, again, the same remodel where they inserted a bathroom here, a full bath. So each bedroom, it's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, means that every bedroom has its own full bath in it, which is great. And it's got plenty of closet space there as well. This is the master bedroom. A lot of space in this one. I love the colors. I love the floors. I really like everything about this remodel. There's not much you need to do. Oh, this is the front side. Like, look how close you are to the stadium. It's like right in front of your house. Now, you're probably thinking, yeah, you're probably going to get some noise. But as an investment, if you're going to live in it, yeah, you've got the soundproof windows and you could close the windows and all. And the soccer season doesn't last all year. It's only a few months out of the year. But that means that you're going to get a lot of tourists coming in here. So if you're putting it up on Airbnb, the rentability on this one, let me see. AirDNA says that the occupancy rate on this one is about 70%. And that's AirDNA, and they're like super conservative. So definitely a good opportunity. Again, this is the view here. Now, if you want a list of properties like this that are in the $150,000 to $250,000 range, make sure to click on the link in the description to download that. It's completely free. And if you want to see some more great videos of properties here in Medellin, make sure to click on this playlist right here.